second edition of Digital Influencers Awards. Lovely having all of you over here. My name is रवि कुमार धूलीपाला. आप सभी से दरख्वास्त है कि इवेंट के बाद में मेरे साथ भी कुछ पिक्चर्स क्लिक करके अपने अपने इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल्स पर डालें ताकि हैदराबाद में कुछ लोगों को मेरे बारे में भी पता चले. आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम probably the biggest influencer in the state of Telangana, a very, very progressive IAS officer. Can we all put our hands together for the one and only Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu, our special guest this evening for DIA 2021.
Social media influencers, they have so much of positive power. They can help hundreds of vulnerable people. So I'm very happy that them are getting recognized today.
सर से एक लैम्प लाइटिंग करवाते हैं and then we have our first segment of the awards to be given away. Please put your hands together everybody for the formal inauguration of DIA 2021.
Yeah, hi guys, good evening to everyone and all, and it's an honor again to come back for you guys. Because of your support we are standing here, a recognition effort from our end to benefit the whole industry. So that's the small thing I wanted to add.
We have the first category of awards this evening.
Thank you very much. Namaste and good evening everyone, and a very warm welcome to all the influencers, bloggers. It's absolutely a pleasure to welcome you all at Novotel Hyderabad International Convention Center. We showcase what we can work along and of course bring back the confidence amongst everyone to come back to hotels, restaurants, and I think that is where we feel the joy of partnering with this event. So thank you very much and congratulations to all the winners.
Every aspect of life, technically, you can be an influencer and influence people. I think every walk of life, it can be on social media and you can be a good influencer. Just that the influencers have to remember always, what are they influencing?
Correct.
That's one good question I would like to pose everybody. Every influencer should have a sense of responsibility also.
I want you to hand over the next set of awards. So now we have got the next set of awards.
I have become your co-anchor.
Yeah.
It's a very serious job and it's a very difficult thing to do, actually. You know, to really shoot that product well, to shoot themselves that way and influence people, it is really difficult.
From the stage, it's a wrap. This is Ravi Kumar Dhulipala signing off. And thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening ahead.